Okay. Let's go have a look. I'm not too sure how much I need. Alrighty, here we go.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee.
So we want 100 of the resin. So I'm basically, what am I doing? I'm doing the front panel. So I'm not going to need that much. Okay, just a little bit over 100, fine, 50 drops. 8, 9, 10, okay. I think that's, they says 1.5 to 2, so that's probably close to it. Okie dokie. If you want to do this, I'm rubbish at fiberglassing, by the way. So, as you've already seen, Okay, so update, what have we done? Finally, we've got fiberglass along the join between the side panel and the deck, all down the port side, and obviously today finished off the fiberglassing on the forward panel and the deck as well, again across the join, so that's curing nicely, and that's it really. Now it's just a case of letting that all cure up, and then a sand down the front, the sides, down the side, the port side, and then the skin goes on. I'm not going to worry about cutting portholes at this stage. I'm just going to get the skin on, glued up, and then set. Put 1 or 2 coats of varnish on there just to protect it, and then leave it and spin the boat around and do it all again. Hopefully it won't take as long for the other side. I've learnt quite a bit on this side, so we can speed things up a bit. But that's it, light at the end of the tunnel. And also hopefully I've got a bit more time in my hands now, so I can get down here more often. Anyway, call it a day, and thanks for watching.